Hello guys, welcome to another fan reaction video. This is Himan, joining with me is Vignesh. So this video is specially for CSK fans. We were not able to do the fan reaction video for CSK and RR game, so we decided that we'll do a video now. So Vignesh is a CSK fan. So hi Vignesh, some uncharted territory for you guys. It's been not good the past two games.
Hemant, yes, I don't mind a defeat. It's not like I've never seen CSK lose a match, but I did not like the way that CSK approached both these games. It's as if like they wanted to lose. There was no hunger, there was no fight in the team. It was like, you're chasing a big total, then you have to, have someone who's, driving the chase. That I did not see from CSK. Everyone was like just rotating the strike, and it was really like a slow poison. I think I said before, it was like drinking slow poison and watching the match.
And actually, not having Raidu on the in the playing 11 is definitely hurting CSK chance. I mean, he's been like very fluent batsman. The 80 of the 30 balls against our MI side, it's been like too good, and that's definitely hurting CSK chance.
It is, and you have to say that it's not only Raidu. Bravo is missing, Imran Tahir is not there, Suresh Raina is not there. CSK are missing a lot of key players.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Players, but I really think that the mistakes they did in these two games could have been avoided. I know CSK is a really good chasing team. They can pull the matches out of the fire, especially MS Dhoni. But that did not happen in the last two games. It was very, like I said, very, very slow with no intent at all chasing the game. You can see that Kedar Jadhav is playing so slowly. Murli Vijay, atrocious run-off form for him. Shane Watson is not delivering. MS Dhoni is coming so low down the order. We know that we all say Dhoni is a great captain, but when it comes to, we should also point out his mistakes as well. I think that he himself has told that he is a bit rusty. That's why he's not batting up the order. But I still feel that a rusty MS Dhoni is much better than a Kedar Jadhav. He should have come up the order against Rajasthan. He should have come up the order against Delhi. And I think CSK missed the trick over there.
Batsman having the strategies like I'll wait till the end, then I'll hit. It's fine. Having one or two batsmen playing on the same strategy, but right from your openers, if you keep on following that strategy, like we'll wait, that I don't think who'll hit. So I mean, for not a fan like me, I mean, I'm not a CSK fan, but even looking at that kind of strategy from my opponent is like too tiring and too disappointing to me.
I'm surprised what is Rituraj Gaikwad thinking. I mean, he of all people should know that CSK is a team which doesn't rotate a lot. So if you get a chance, you have to play responsibly. Coming down the track in his very first IPL match, it is very irresponsible of him.
Disappointed!
Hopefully from like since there is a like long gap, I think that CSK will go back to the drawing boards. See, but I think definitely the opening has to be changed, and they need to be aggressive. I don't think there's no point in slogging. I mean, dragging it till last overs. Today was like, as you said, it was very evident.
The thing is, Hemant, I said it is too shallow. I mean, you want to change the openers, but who else can you bring? If you drop Murli Vijay, right? Obviously, Raidu might come in for Gaikwad. If you drop Murli Vijay, you have to stick with Gaikwad. Maybe I am too harsh on Gaikwad. He's just played 2 IPL games. Maybe he deserves much more games.
Yeah, we hope everything. Do you think with this team, do you think you can beat MI in the second time you meet?
I think obviously later on the tournament the pitches are going to get very slow. That's where Imran Tahir is going to come into play, and soon maybe you can see Dwayne Bravo come in. Ambati Raidu is going to come in. That time CSK is going to be a formidable team. I'm not writing off my team so early.
I like your optimism, but I feel that CSK is more worried about maintaining the net run rate than winning the games here this time. Let's keep the CSK MI thing aside. I just wanted to have a quick comment from you, like on RCB.
Yeah, I actually saw a meme earlier today. It said that today CSK were not playing. RCB was playing in CSK's jersey, and RCB got a right royal thrashing against Kings 11 Punjab. But I still feel that RCB is, they did not get their combinations right. They
Yeah.
have a much better team with Moeen Ali and Chris Morris still in the bench.
I think there's some nursing some injuries. We hope they get back soon on the ground. But as you said, the RCB is like I heard somebody arguing like their bowling is sorted, their hand bowling is sorted. I just laughed at them. Like I don't think, and even Stein went for runs,
True,
so it's hopeless.
true. Yes, definitely. One thing which may never get sorted is a corona vaccine and RCB's death bowling.
Oh my god, that's a good one. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's our reaction for CSK's drubbing today. They've occurred in the hands of Delhi Capitals. Not to take any credit ever from Delhi Capitals, they've been like pretty good. Their bowling has been very decent, especially Andrew Notze. He's been exceptional. I mean, we hope to see these kind of matches, and for such amazing sports content, please follow Sportsy.